Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in previous video we saw that the update operation in this MySQL database. So in this video we will see the last operation of a CRUD, that is the delete. How to delete a single row in a table. So let's begin. We save as this update code into new file. So here we create a new file. Right click on this MySQL DB folder and your file name is that the login underscore delete.php. So we copy paste this update code in this delete file, save here. Okay, now here we change your function name here. This is the record updated. We use the function name is that record deleted. Okay, and all these sections are the same here. We change the form action is that the login delete. This is your the new file name. We change this title delete and your the button value is that here delete. So save here. So there is one error. Okay, so this function is not exist here. So here we comment this function now, save here. Okay. So let's go into this db function file and we copy paste this record updated function and here paste here. So now my function name is that record deleted. Okay, so here there is no need to username and password, so simply you just id and here we use the one query. So query is that delete from users where id equal to $id. So here we execute this delete query. So after successful, here we print this message record deleted, otherwise die error record not deleted. Okay, so this is the if message, this field cannot be blank, so we remove this section. Okay, yes, so save these changes here, record deleted, going to this delete file and comment this function, save. So we test this code here. So here by using this getID data function, so this function is defined here, we already saw in previous video. So see here again, get id function. So by using this function we get the id of this table dynamically and stored into this drop down box. So see here, this is your the phpMyAdmin database. So see, this is your the id 1345. So this id is stored in this drop down box. So if you select your the id is that for example 3, okay, and press here the delete button, then see record deleted. So check here, we refresh this database, so this id number 3 is removed here. Okay, so like this way we remove the data into this table. So here we finish all these 4 operations here, create, insert, read and the delete, and we convert this code into this modular format. So on next video we will see that the SQL injection and the security about this data. So students, test this code on your machine. So if you have any queries, then comment on the query in comment box, likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.